Hi! Good evening everyone, or magandang gabi sa lahat. From the last video, we learned how to say I'm here at or I'm here in sa Tagalog. And tonight, on our Learn Tagalog, let's learn how to say I'm going to or I'm going in sa Tagalog. To say I'm going to or I'm going in sa Tagalog, halimbawa, or for example, you wanna say, I'm going in the kitchen. Pupunta ako sa pupunta ako sa kusina. Pupunta ako sa kusina. Or, I'm going in the kitchen. Pupunta ako sa bangko bukas. I'm going to the bank tomorrow. And if you're with someone, and here's how you say we are going to sa Tagalog. Pupunta kami sa kami or we. Pupunta kami sa. So, that's it for tonight. I'm going to or I'm going in sa Tagalog. And don't forget our last video. Andito ako sa or I'm here in, I'm here at sa Tagalog, and you can find the link for the last video down below. Good night. Bye. Bye. I have to go now. Pupunta ako sa grocery store. Bye!